how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So go ahead and open ChatGPT from any browser. So I'm just going to open mine in Chrome. And go ahead and type ChatGPT. So when you try to open this page, if you see that ChatGPT is at capacity, then you can click on the three dots at the top right corner and go ahead and click this refresh button right here. So once the page is reloaded, then it will work. If it doesn't work on the first time, then go ahead and keep on trying and it will work after you try for some time. So the next method is you can click on these three dots and go to settings at the very bottom. So if you scroll down to privacy and security, click on clear browsing data right here at the very first option. So you can go ahead and clear this cookies and site data and your cached images and files. And if you want, you can clear your browsing history as well. So if you clear your data, so go ahead and press clear right here. So once your browsing data, all your cookies and site data and cache, everything is cleared, you can go back and go to ChatGPT login and try to log in again. You should be able to log into ChatGPT. So that is how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now.